important product to have is your micellar cleansing water. This is very good for cleansing your makeup and for cleansing your face on normal day. This is the Kale Sweat Block for preventing sweat from ruining your makeup for some hours. It's very good. And for those with oily skin, I recommend Pond's primer for you. It's really good. It's very, very good for oily skin. And this one right here is Huda Beauty primer. This is an illuminating and moisturizing primer for all skin type. And this is Maybelline Master Prime Face Studio. This is also good for achieving that matte look. Very good and very, very affordable as well. And this one is my cleansing tissues. They are finished. I've used all. Don't mind me, they are finished. This is not because I do makeup all the time. It's because I cleanse my face most times. And this one here is a Huda Beauty blending foam. These are blending foams for your use. You can get some at any shop, any cosmetic shop. And what I'm unwrapping right here is the makeup brushes. This is a set for all your makeup duties and makeup whatever. So you have all the brushes there. It's also affordable, not really expensive, but you can get small ones for your use. Kale powder palette. It's a Kale powder palette. This powder palette contains 6 color shades of powders from white to the darkest skin. This is also very affordable. It's not really expensive, so you can get one for your personal use or professional use. Yeah, it's also very good. I don't regret buying that product, not at all. And this one is the BB loose powder, the setting powder. This is a Kiss Beauty product. It's good. This one right here is good for like 3 skin colors. So if you are like my skin, if you are a bit fair, if you are not all that dark, you can use that powder. And this one here is a contour palette. It also contains 6 skin shades for skin types, 6 skin types. So you can get that one as well, or you can just use the powder palette I showed earlier on. And this one is my eyeshadow palette. This is given. This eyeshadow palette is given. It's really good. And this is also one of the eyeshadow palettes. This one is very cheap. I bought it when I started doing makeup, but the colors are really given. They are really nice. And this one contains eyeshadow, contains highlights, blush. Yeah, so I broke some. So the empty spaces there are the ones that broke. So yeah, this is also good for your highlighting, for your eyeshadow, for your contouring, your blush. It's very good and less expensive. So if you're a beginner and you want something, you should go for something like this so that you don't waste money buying separate blush, highlights, contour palette, and all that. This is good for you. This one is a concealer palette. It's very good as well. This one, if you use more, you see that it's very light. These shades are not for dark skin. It's not for dark skin. So if you are dark, I don't recommend that for you. There's a foundation and concealer palette. BH Cosmetics. Their products are also good. This is also for professional use, but if you want to get this one for you and your family, then I recommend this one for you. But if it's for only you, then go for just one color. That's your shade, so that you don't waste the products. As you can see, I've used like 3 shades. That's because the other ones are not my color. This one is a powder for your finishing. So this is a Mary Kay product, so you can get one for yourself as well. All the products I'm showing you, some are expensive, but some are not really expensive. So go for the one you can afford. This is a bronzer and a highlight. This is also less expensive, so get one for yourself. And I repeat, the products I've shown you are not really expensive, so you can afford it. This is also eyeshadow, Maybelline product. They are really nice when you apply this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is giving, especially when you are creating that bridal look, that dinner look. Oh, it's really nice. Very, very nice. I recommend this one for you too. All the products I'm showing you are really good. This is my eyelash. I've used two. Don't mind me. It's Level 21. This is also less expensive. Really, really cheap, but very quality. It's really, really, really good. And this is my Maybelline. My Maybelline mascara. It's really, really nice. It's really like, and this is the liner. I find it really difficult applying my eyeliner, but inshallah, God will do it. This is the mascara. I'm showing you how it looks like. It's really, really like slimy. If you don't take care, you ruin all your makeup. So be careful when you're using this mascara. Thank me later. These products are not difficult to find. You can get some at any cosmetic and makeup shop around. So I'm showing you my lipstick lip gloss collection that I have. I mostly have the nude colors because I like doing nude. I don't like to do the hot colors. So these are the lipstick and the lip gloss I'm showing you there. I'm looking for others. And the pencils I use, the normal pencil. These are common pencils that you can get anywhere. The pencils are nice. They give you that natural color that you need, depending on the color that you buy. So I mostly use the brown shade when I'm drawing my eyebrow. But if I want that lip combo, the different colors and eyeliner, different colors of the eyeliner, then I go in for the different colors. The lip as well, depending on the look I want to create. But you can go for any color that you want. It's your choice. Buy whatever suits you. Don't follow me. Do what your heart tells you. I'm just giving you a recommendation here. I'm giving you a suggestion, my opinions, so you can take it or not. But yeah, if you are someone who didn't want to create that hot lip combo, then I recommend those lip for you. And the almighty setting spray. This is from Flawless Ivy. The setting spray is really nice, smells good. It keeps your makeup on for so long. So I recommend this one for you as well. So I'll show you guys the foundation I use in my next video. See you guys there. Bye bye.